Since we've been with Aerodome, it's been the impact of, like, we get calls, we go out, we help. We're able to clear calls, we're able to make them safer, we're able to give officers direction, we're able to get more evidence and direct people to some people we would have lost.
There's really no price tag that I can put on the ability to take the DFR program, the software, and then relate that to the cost savings of officers in the field. The DFR software is really first class and able to be accessible to our officers in the real-time crime center, as well as push it out through different platforms to our officers in the field.
Once it is on scene, it could provide a perspective and a vantage point that an officer on the ground, they don't have that available to them.
I doubled that capability the day I signed on the dotted line with Aerodome and started using their products and services.
The airspace awareness is just, I haven't seen anything better than that. Flying is very easy. Everything is just, doesn't look convoluted, it's very clear. And I've also used the spectator side, very convenient and it's very seamless.
It is an immediate response. I don't have to worry about a delay. If I'm trying to focus in on somebody and zoom in on somebody and I need to watch this person jump walls, I'm gonna be able to follow them without any kind of delay. And that's very important. If there is even a half-second delay, I've just lost that person and I'm not gonna get them back. Aerodome as a program, it's just been phenomenal.
We're in the airspace of not only LAX, which is a huge international airport right here in Los Angeles, but we have a municipal airport in Hawthorne, the Hawthorne Airport. Having Aerodome's air traffic awareness module, it allows us to deconflict these type of flights. It allows us to know when and what's coming. It literally is a force multiplier. You hear that a lot, it's an overused term, but this really is, in my 21-year career, one of the largest, most impactful things I've been a part of.